Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, thank you so much for your great support. Today the recipe is dal with raw papaya. It's very easy. Let's check in detail. See here I'm taking one medium size of it's fully raw papaya. So I'm gonna cut two edges. It's not required, and then just peel out everything, the green color, and then cut into two pieces. So please remove all the seeds in it, so that we should not add those things for the curry. And also you have to peel out that whatever that seed is attached, that layer we need to peel out that as well. Otherwise we feel like curry is little bit of bitter taste, not good taste. So here I have peeled out everything. So I'm gonna cut into a pieces, like whatever the size you want it, you can cut it. I'm gonna take like a small cubes. So once everything is done, so here here you go, it looks like this. So now let's go for how to prepare this curry. Here I'm using clay pot. You can consider any vessels. So 3 tablespoon of oil, and then one large onion chopped. So this sliced I have cut it. You can even use as a chopped one as well. So make sure you will fry it very nicely golden color. Onion need to be turned golden, kind of gold color. So once this is done, so this is how the final onions are fried enough. So now I'm gonna add the remaining, like a turmeric half a tablespoon, and then chili powder 1 tablespoon. It is Kashmir chili powder I'm using here. You can add whatever you like it. Here a homemade 1 tablespoon sambar powder. So make sure all this masala powder should be fried in the oil with the onions. Once this raw smell is gone, now we're gonna add like a large 1 tomato chopped. Then we add you can add little bit salt to fry this to tomato to cook nicely. I'm gonna add salt now. Once after a little bit of turn, like stirring is done, salt. This tomato with onion, also with sambar powder, this all should be cooked very nicely. Then that this all gives very good flavor and the taste for the sambar. So once it is cooked, tomatoes are finely cooked, this is how it looks like. I'm gonna add masoor dal, like you can use any dals, but this will not take much time to cook. So I'm using this, I'm not using the cooker to cook. And then whatever I cut raw papaya, I'm gonna add a bowl, and then salt for the taste. And then you can add water, how much you want, you can add that much of water to cook this curry, like dal with raw papaya. So friends, this raw papaya and dal, it doesn't take much time. If you are using any other dal, like a hard one, then you have to use the cooker to cook at least 1 whistle or 2 whistle. Then you can add raw papaya. So I always prefer you adding only this dal, so that it gives very good taste for the raw papaya. So friends, this is almost done. Cooking is done. Once it is done, now let's go for a next step. Here I am using 1 small kadai, 2 tablespoon of oil, and then 1 tablespoon of mustard seed. Once it is splattered, I'm gonna add remaining like 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, chopped one, few curry leaves, and then 1 green chilli. Just stir it for a while. Once this raw smell is gone, then we gonna add this one for the curry. So now friends, mix very well, and then add the chopped coriander leaves, If you wish, you can even add little bit of water as well. For me, this is the consistency is enough. This I'm gonna serve it with chapati, rice. It will be very tasty. So friends, this today's message is the root of education is bitter, but the fruit is sweet. So this is we must know, like, education is very important. So friends, thank you so much for your great support. So once again, please do support me, subscribe to my channel. So my dal is looking really delicious. I have tried this multiple times. It was really good taste. So please do try. There is nothing much masalas are required for this dal. Thank you all. Take care. See you again. Bye bye.